he's been here for 20 years and he's done good work, significant good work. Correct? When people compare Lalu's era with Nitish Kumar's era, even
No, but
core
good work is
supporters-
relative. Good work is relative to where Bihar began from as a base.
Correct.
When you compare Bihar at the moment with other states, it has the lowest per capita income even at this moment.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's always been there. So people make two comparisons. One, what other states have become and what Bihar was 20 years back. So when they compare with other states, of course, there is still a lot to be done. When they compare with Bihar of 2005, a lot has been achieved. See, again, what we are discussing is that he is now a senior citizen, comparatively. Correct. Also, the number of youth population is high, but the number of youth voting population is lower because 0 to 18 cannot vote. So 30 plus voters who have seen his work have sympathy for him, and the youth who have not seen his work perhaps or have not seen the earlier work and have no other base to compare may be looking for change, but their numbers are smaller. They're only 25% of the voting population. 30 plus is 75% of the voting population. This culture thing. And the RJD Congress are not attacking because I think somewhere in their mind, their only hope now is that Nitish is not made the CM by BJP and Nitish again comes back to Mahagathbandhan to become
Do you
CM.
think that's possible? We were with Pappu Yadav yesterday, Ajit Jha, and he said that there's an open offer. Aap dekh lena, ye banayenge nahi CM. Nitish Kumar will come back with the RJD. Far from thinking of him as a liability, they're still trying to woo him and win him over to their side. It's the most fascinating business of political somersaults, which don't seem to have a negative rub-on this guy.
Yeah, that's a good point, what you pointed out, that the fact that he's a Dalbadlu Chacha, as everyone calls him, is not seen as negative. The idea is कि नीतीश रहेंगे तो बिहार का विकास होगा. That is associated with him, number one. Number two, the fact that we did not mention, when Nitish came, the first thing that he did, just like Yogi Adityanath in UP, the crime rate just fell down. So for women, that security, कि 6 बजे के बाद जब अंधेरा होता है तो I can go out and nothing happens to me.